Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering the Bluetooth receiver and putting it into pairing mode. This is the key first action. Next, connect the receiver to the TV's audio output. Optical needs a DAC, while AUX or RCA plug directly. Make sure the TV is on and set to the correct audio output. This tells the TV to send sound out to the receiver. Once done, you'll be ready to pair your phone or headset. Don't skip setting the TV output, or you'll hear nothing. Now focus on pairing and routing audio correctly. First, configure the TV to use external speakers or line out so audio leaves the TV. Many sets default to internal speakers. Then, on your phone or PC, scan and select the receiver. You should see a confirmation tone or LED change. Once paired, test audio and balance volumes. Lower the TV, raise the receiver, then tweak the source. If latency matters, choose aptX or low latency. Finish by tidying cables and placing the receiver where it won't be blocked. Line of sight improves Bluetooth reliability. Confirm the TV audio output and volume settings one more time and test multiple sources to isolate problems. If you get no sound, make sure the receiver is powered and paired, verify the TV's output setting, and inspect audio cables and adapters. If you encounter lip sync delay, switch to a low-latency codec or use a direct wired connection. This fixes timing issues in most setups.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.